Hi, I'm Lawrence Koh and I'm a chartered financial consultant. I would like to learn investing because I would like to create an additional source of passive income stream so that I will not become a financial burden to my families and loved ones as soon as I can. Before I attend BIA, I only know how to create passive income using annuity programs and dividends from mutual funds. But after attending BIA, I found an alternative method to create passive income for myself, which will help me to reach my financial freedom earlier. I found about BIA because I happened to watch Cayden's TikTok. So I find that he is very factual and interesting. So that's why after I follow him for 3 to 6 months, I decided to went for his masterclass, and that's where I signed up for BIA. The most helpful lesson that I have get from BIA is to able to identify value stocks in a simple and structured way so that I don't overpay and make unnecessary losses for my investment. I would recommend BIA to my friends because I don't want them to lose money in their investment, because investment can be easy if you know the way.